Good morning, friends. Welcome to a very exciting, beautiful day in Arkansas. Today marks the first day of hydro seeding. So stay with me and do me a great big favor and click subscribe and like and share this video. The first batch of hydro seeding that I'm going to do today is for this area right behind me. I'm going to mix up a 500-gallon tank of hydro mix. We're going to be using a contractor's blend seed so that it's still a little bit cool right now, but it'll give it a couple more weeks for that unhulled Bermuda to break loose and take off. With the contractor's blend, what happens with that particular seed is when it's a little bit cool like it is right now, it will use the winter blend to establish a ground cover. And then when it starts getting too hot, the contractor's blend, the Bermuda part of it, the unhulled part, will break loose. All the cold weather grass will die off, and then the Bermuda will pick up and cover this ground perfectly. So today we're looking at about 7,500 square feet, and just stay with me. We're gonna start this process out by preparing that ground. I'm gonna bring in some dirt, we're gonna level it, we're gonna bring in the Harley rake, make it perfectly smooth, and take out all the ridges and take out all the valleys. It'll make it smooth and really make it nice for mowing. All right, I've got the ground nice and level now, and I'm getting ready to mix up a batch, and we're gonna start applying the hydro mulch very shortly. The land plane did a great job of leveling out this dirt. I've got all the ingredients weighed up for this batch, and getting ready to mix it up, and I'll crank up the motors and show you the circulation of it, and then the application, and we'll be done. I've got the contractor grade seed. I've got the fertilizer, 13-13-13 homogenized. I had the mulch. And then on the other side over there, I had the tackifier. I've already added the Apex 10. It's a seed starter. So we'll be going here shortly. we're done hydro seeding for today, and turned out pretty good. We got a little bit of material used up good. Try to seed some areas that we didn't really scuff up because we got a little bit extra. But all in all, man, this has turned out really good. I'm gonna take some time-lapse videos of the growth of hydro seed to show you its effectiveness. Here's what it looks like. This is what the finished product looks like. Very smooth, very well evenly applied. I'm gonna take some time-lapse videos of this hydro seed just to show you the growth cycle on it. So be watching for a follow-up video.